Thursday, April 26th, day 34. I have been hiking about 30 minutes or so, and I've come upon a very famous rock formation known as Fat Man's Squeeze. Ha ha! Well, I've got my backpack on, and I'm going to try to squeeze through here. Oh, nice. Fat Man Squeeze. This is somewhere right around mile 500 for me. So 34 days. Look at that. I just squeezed through there. 500 miles in 34 days. Let's see. All I got to do is do that about 3 more times, huh? That's nice. Okay. Well, it rained all day yesterday and pretty wet last night, so we do have some slippery rocks. But I'm glad I stopped short yesterday of Grayson Highlands Park, because I would have had to cross it in the rain. And it's not raining this morning. I have already seen a pony, and he came up and begged for some food. Apparently they know that the hikers will feed him. And I've already taken probably 20 amazing still photos, because the morning light was just so dramatic as I was coming down here. So day 34. All right, let me put this camera away so I can focus on getting up and over these rocks, eh? I would tend to say that Appalachian is probably, Latch is probably better than Lay. Lation. Appalachian doesn't sound like Appalachian. Anyway.